Hi kids, good morning. Today I am going to tell you the story of the brave little sparrow. Once upon a time, in a dense forest, there lived a little sparrow. Its name is Sparky. Sparky was a small bird with bright and shiny eyes. Even though it is small, Sparky had a big heart and it loved the adventurous. One sunny morning, Sparky woke up and saw that the forest was very quiet. He decided to find out why. As he flew through the trees, he saw his friends, the rabbits, squirrels, other birds, and animals gathered under a big tree, looking worried. Sparky asked, "What was wrong, everyone?" The wise owl spoke up. "There is a big storm coming, Sparky. We need to find a safe place until it passes." Sparky looked around and noticed a large cave on the other side of the forest, and Sparky suggested, "What about that cave over there?" Owl said, "That's a good idea, Sparky, but it's very far and storm is coming fast. We need someone brave and quick to fly there and check if it is safe." Without thinking twice, Sparky said, "I will do it," and flew away. As he flew over the forest, he felt strong winds and heavy rain. It was hard, but Sparky kept going. Finally, he reached the cave. He looked inside. It was very big. Happy Sparky flew back to the forest as quickly as he could. Sparky returned and said loudly, "The cave is safe." All animals followed Sparky to the cave. All birds and animals thanked Sparky and they awarded him. Sparky was very happy. Hi kids, even though it is small, his story of courage was told again and again in the forest. Thank you.